This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda Schmidt. Wow! Beautifully updated, light and bright with a neutral color palette. Upgrades include asphalt driveway in 2023, roof replaced in 2022, impact windows and doors with transferable lifetime warranty in 2023, all light fixtures and fans replaced, new washer and dryer in 2022, California closets in every bedroom, reconfigurable, updated bathrooms, updated kitchen, quartz counters and SILGRANIT sink, built-in panty and laundry room, all air ducts serviced and cleaned 2024, additional outdoor ring security cameras installed, as well as sensors on all doors and some windows, ceilings and trim repainted 2024, all blinds replaced in 2024, front entrance screened in 2023, all on 2.27 mostly cleared acres and fenced in. Separate building on the property that can be used for a garage, workshop, game room, room for a pool, boat, RV, toys. Let your imagination run wild. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Schmidt at 239-293-8150.